Let's get right into it. Let's get right into it. Trying to be strategic about it this time so I don't put keyhole to keyhole again. We don't want a repeat of that. Unless somebody out there just likes to watch me suffer, which, I mean, appreciate you watching. And I guess there will inevitably be something for you to enjoy. Keyholes. You know what? We'll put you second, because you... Wait a minute. I was going to crisscross these. That's right. That's right. We're going with the crisscross. Crisscross. So maybe I should... Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh boy. Got a double lock. That one, I got a double lock. Can't find a hole. Double lock that one. Now I get this back one, might be a little trickier. Oh, I think I got it. Yep. Never mind the wind. It's just, you know, blizzard of the century coming in. Did I get it? Hey, we're all double locked up. Whew. Okay. These things are cold and heavy. Let's get them off. Got the double lock there. Oh. And the single. Yeah, let's. Other side of the keyway. Quit dancing your butt over there. Oh yeah, it's got a little tighter keyway, so I might need a different pick. What are you? Where the one I want? You ought to do. You know, 20,000s. These Smith & Wessons. No? Smith & Wesson, they're always tough. Oh, I think I got it. Yeah, I did. Oh. I get it. Hey. That's one off. Go back to this other pick. Let's go back to the other pick. Did I do it? Nope. know. Alright, maybe I do need to go back to this. Ah, there it is. And lastly, but not leastly, Peerless. Back at the double? Nope. That got it. Woo! 3-pair, double lock, crisscross, applesauce. Thank you for watching. Outro. This is the mother. Well, let's keep this PG. This is the mother humping outro. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope y'all have